Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Nooro Foot Massager review. So let's walk through the Nooro EMS Foot Massager. So basically, Nooro is a foot mat that uses something called NMES, that stands for Neuromuscular Electrical Stimulation. Now, what that means in plain terms is the device sends light electrical impulses through your feet to target the muscles, nerves, and acupuncture points. Now, the whole idea behind this is to help with things like foot pain, swelling, stiffness, tingling from neuropathy, and plantar fasciitis. Now, it's designed to be something you can just use at home instead of going in for regular therapist visits. Now, here's what you actually get with it if you do proceed on buying it. Now, the mat itself is affordable and portable, and you're not stuck using it at one spot. Now, you can fold it up and take it with you if you want, and it's also rechargeable, so no constant battery swapping here. Now, what you need to do here is just need to plug in with a USB cable and charges up pretty quickly according to them, and attach the mat in a small operator device with a remote style controller, and that's what runs the whole thing here. Now, though, through that controller, you get access to multiple massage nodes depending on the version. That's either around 8 or 6 different levels or different massage techniques, plus a range of intensity levels here that you can adjust. So up to like 19 levels, if I'm not mistaken, on some versions. So you're not locked into into one setting here. So you can play around until you find what feels right for you. Now, as for how to actually use it, now it's actually quite simple. So first, you attach the operator device to the foot mat here, then you just place both feet on the mat and press the power button to turn it on. Now from there, you use the plus and minus buttons to raise or lower the intensity. Now you press the M button to cycle through the different massage modes here, and once it's actually set the way you like, now you can just relax and let the device do its thing. Now for daily use here, according to them, general guidance is about like 10 to 15 minutes of session, and some versions suggest starting with shorter periods like 5-minute sessions and building up to a longer continuous sessions as you actually go. So most people are looking at using it somewhere between like 3 to 4 days a week, though daily use is fine too. Now, what about the pricing here? So Nooro typically runs seasonal discounts here, sometimes around 50 or 60% off the regular price. So currently it is priced around $199 or $200 for one mat. And in this case, orders usually come with either free standard shipping that takes about a week or to 10 days, or a paid expedited option that arrives around like 3 to 7 business days. Payment wise here, they accept the standard stuff here: PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Discover, and a few others. It also comes with a 90-day return window if you want to send it back, so just in case, and you can cancel an order within like 24 hours of placing it for a full refund before it actually ships. So that's Nooro in a nutshell, and that's about it. So for this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.